In this video we're going to look how to use the NHS app to choose if data from your health records is shared for research and planning purposes. So to get there, from the home menu, once you've signed in, the icons are on the bottom of the screen, tap on your health and scroll down to the bottom and we can see there it's the last option. So tap to open it and that takes us to the overview page. So we recommend, before you make your decision, if you read through all the information that's on here. It also gives you the option to visit the NHS website for more information. Once you've read through, tap where it says next. So you'll need to go through each of these sections before you make your decision. So have a read through this section. Once you've read through, at the bottom you'll see the bottom right corner where it says next, so just tap on there. Again, you'll need to read through this section. Once you've read through, at the bottom, tap next. This is where you make your choice. So again, have a read through, and then once you're ready, tap start now. The choice you currently have will be displayed here. So on this one is allow. If you're happy with that, you can just, in the top left corner, tap on home, and that will stay your choice. If you'd like to change your decision, tap where it says change, and then depending on what your original decision was, tap yes or no, and then all you need to do is tap submit, and that will update your decision. If you're not quite ready, you can always tap on go back. In the future, you have the option to change your mind again. You can do this by following the steps in this video.